We've all been seeing posts about revenge bedtime procrastination, and most of us went, "Oh my god, that's me." I said the same thing, so let's see what we can do about it. People who deprive themselves of sleep at night, regardless of how tired they are, in a way to compensate for the time they lost during the day doing tasks they had no control over, are in the cycle of revenge bedtime procrastination. So they feel that the night time is the only time they have control and they can do whatever they want to do. So I noticed that I was in this pattern and I wanted to fix it. I did a lot of research and tried different ways, so here are 5 that worked for me and it probably will work for you as well. 1. Make a list of how many hours of sleep you require to function normally in a day and how many hours you're actually getting. This itself will come as a shock to you and a lot of your behavior during the day will start to make sense. Second, I made a list of the activities that I do while I procrastinate going to bed. It could be watching Netflix, painting, reading a book, and I made sure I did them during the day, even if it was for 10 or 15 minutes during a break time. Third, set clear boundaries. When I was experimenting what I need to do to find control of my time, I noticed that I was doing a lot of tasks for people around me or people that I cared about, which really did not add up to my life. So set boundaries. Set boundaries as to how much you are willing to help another person and how much time you need for yourself. This could feel like taking back control of your time. Fourth, if you still feel the need to watch a movie or read a book before going to bed, set a timer for it. Set aside a certain amount of time that you will spend doing this before you go to bed. Doing this helped me feel more relaxed because I was not depriving myself of the things I love to do, but just setting limits on it. Try making going to bed an enjoyable process by adding in self-care routines like a skincare routine, a hair care routine, or anything that you enjoy. If you feel like you've been in the cycle of revenge bedtime procrastination, it's okay. It's like a reminder from your unconscious that you love being alive. You want to watch another video, you want to talk to another friend, you want another moment of being alive.